Hi everyone. If one room in your house feels like a sauna, while the rest of the place is barely comfortable, this is the kind of thing you start looking at fast. Today I'm sharing my experience with this portable air conditioner. And honestly, I got it because I needed a practical fix without jumping into a huge home cooling project. The situation was pretty simple: hot weather, an uncomfortable living space, and central air that either wasn't working well or was just too expensive to run all day for one area. The first thing I noticed when it arrived was that it was packaged really well. It felt protected, but not impossible to unpack. I was able to open the top, remove the accessories, and get the unit out without feeling like I had to wrestle with it. It has handles, and the weight feels pretty evenly distributed, so moving it around wasn't as bad as I expected. It is still a portable air conditioner, so it's not feather light, but the wheels definitely help once it's on the floor. Setting it up was pretty straightforward. The window kit had the pieces I needed, and the exhaust hose connected into the adapter securely. I would say most people can figure it out with the handbook, but if you don't like dealing with hoses, window panels, and fitting everything together, having a second person nearby can make the process easier. Once the hose and window panel were in place, I plugged it in, turned it on, and it started cooling right away. The biggest reason I like this unit is the cooling performance. I've used it in a bedroom that gets hotter than the rest of the house, and that is where it really makes sense. Instead of running central air just to cool one room, this lets me focus the cold air exactly where I need it. In a bedroom, it brought the temperature down and made the space much more comfortable, especially at night. I also saw it work in a larger open area, with a living room, kitchen, dining space, and an upstairs loft connected together. That kind of layout is hard for any portable unit, because there's so much open air to deal with. But this one handled it better than I expected. I started with the temperature set pretty low, and after a while it actually got cold enough that I had to raise it a bit. That's a good problem to have when you're trying to beat summer heat. Another thing I appreciate is that it shuts off once it reaches the set temperature. I don't want a unit that just blasts endlessly and makes the room freezing. This one cycles based on the temperature setting, so it feels more comfortable and less wasteful. It also helps if you're using it overnight, because you're not constantly getting up to adjust it. If you're thinking about getting one, I actually found a pretty good price on this. I'll leave the link in the description below so you can check it out for yourself. This unit is also useful. In hot and humid places, cooling the air is only half the battle. The dehumidifier function helps pull moisture out of the room, and that makes the space feel better even when the temperature doesn't seem extreme. In a humid bedroom, that made the air feel less heavy. If you live somewhere with sticky summer weather, that feature matters. Noise-wise, I'd call it normal for a portable AC. On low, it's not too bad. I actually like a little white noise while sleeping, so for me, it was fine at night. It has that steady fan sound that can cover up other noises in the house. On high though, it is definitely louder. Not shocking, but noticeable. If you're very sensitive to noise, you'll probably want to keep it on a lower setting when sleeping or watching TV. The sleep mode is a nice feature too. It adjusts as the night goes on, so you can fall asleep comfortably without constantly changing settings. There's also a timer, which is helpful if you only want it running for part of the day or part of the night. I think the unit looks clean and modern. It doesn't feel like an ugly appliance sitting in the corner. The white finish blends into a bedroom or living room pretty easily. And because it's on wheels, I can move it where I need it without dragging it across the floor. It also came with a padded white cover for storage, which was a nice extra. When it's not in use, covering it helps keep it looking clean. Overall, this portable air conditioner has been a very practical solution for hot rooms, humid weather, and situations where running a whole central system doesn't make sense. It cools well, moves easily, has useful controls, and the dehumidifier feature adds real value. The main things I'd improve are the exhaust hose sealing and the water drainage convenience. But both are manageable if you set it up carefully. So my final take is this: if you need focused cooling for a bedroom, apartment, living area, or another space that gets uncomfortable in the heat, this is a solid option to consider. It's not completely silent, and you do need to keep an eye on drainage. But the cooling performance and convenience make it worth looking at. If you have any questions about this product, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.